Our article, Evidence-Based Cosmology, is now published. Below is link. Our research group, we developed a model, cosmological model, without theoretical propositions. Our model is based only on astronomical observations. There is no some magical big explosion. There is no expansion forever. There is no recombination period. There is nothing what Big Bang is somehow uh, trying to convince us to be real, that something that this has happened. There is a very simple scientific fact we have to acknowledge in order to progress cosmology and physics. Nothing can happen has happened in some physical past, because physical past has no existence. A physical event can only happen in some field that is existent, in something that is existing, that is real. And the only real reality, physical reality, which exists in the universe is the reality we can observe now. So universe was running and will run forever in this time invariant space, past and future. This is only a human imagination. There is absolutely no past in the physical universe. And as there is no past, this also means that nothing ever happened in past. Everything that has happened in this same time invariant space. In the universe, the only time, if I say like a little bit in the simple words, in the universe, the only time is now. Eternity is now. This is a very big jump. This is a paradigm shift that Julian Barbour already announced in 1999, that the right understanding of time will be a paradigm shift in physics. Big jets that are coming out of the many of central black holes of galaxies. These big jets are fresh energy of the universe. And how happened that this from where these jets are coming? In the center of the black holes, supermassive black holes in the center of galaxies, the energy density of space is so low that atoms become unstable. Atoms fall into elementary particles. And this process of rejuvenation of the universe, where the old matter in the center of galaxies is transformed back into fresh energy in the form of elementary particles, this process is eternal. This process has never started and will never end. It is very childish to think about how universe started. This is a very childish idea. That's why we have so many problems in cosmology, because the basic idea that the universe has started is childish. This is not scientific idea, because once we understand that universal space is time invariant, that time as duration is an emergent physical reality that enters existence when we measure it, then it's clear that all this discussion about beginning in time is just nonsense, because there is no physical time. So supermassive black holes are rejuvenating systems of the universe, and universe is eternal. Universe is not expanding. Expanding of the universe was never directly observed. It is wrong interpretation of gravitational redshift. And the gravitational redshift of light from distant galaxies happens because this light is pulling out of the strong gravity field and it's losing some of its energy. And cosmic microwave background radiation is the radiation of the existent universal space. Okay, there is absolutely no proof. This CMB absolutely is not proof of the existence of some recombination period, uh, three, 30,000, 80,000 years after Big Bang. All this, my dear colleagues, all this is just a fairy tale. Big Bang is a religious dogma, it's not science. And I think that in 21st century, it is time we stop with this Big Bang and we start teaching students at university something better, something really that makes sense, and something that is based on astronomical observation. So I wish everybody to enjoy reading this article. It's a bit long, it's 24 pages, but I think it's worth to reading it. So thank you very much, and your comments are most welcome.